Hello, Susan Pitzer here with Tupperware, and I want to show you a really quick recipe you can do in your pressure cooker. And this is the microwave pressure cooker, cooks in 30 minutes, and we're going to do the white chicken chili, and it's a really super easy recipe, fast and easy to make. You just put it in the microwave, let it cook for 30 minutes, let it cool down for 10, and then your dinner is ready. And so this is just one of my favorites in our Tupperware pressure cooker. And I love our pressure cooker. This is the pressure cooker from Tupperware. It has several safety features. It has this arm that lifts up. We have the valve here. We also have another valve here. And inside the cover, I'll show you, we also have a gasket. So we have 3 different fail safes, so it will not explode in your microwave. And it also has a little line that you fill your liquids up to, and you just don't want to go over that line. But it's very easy. Anything that you can cook in your slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours, you can do in your microwave in about 30 minutes. So I wanted to show you, this is one of my favorite products from Tupperware. I'm gonna do what I have here. The ingredients are super simple. And so we've got 1 pound of chicken and cut in like 1/2-inch pieces. I'm gonna put that inside our pressure cooker. And then I've got a can of diced green chilies. Can of chicken broth, great northern beans. We're going to add 2 cans of those, and I've drained those. And I'm going to show you really quick our Tupperware can opener. And I wanted to show you on this can in particular because it does have the easy open tab, but I want you to know that this will work with any of those cans as well as the ones that don't have the tab. And so you lock that on top. And you either hear that audible click or you feel it kind of break loose. I'm gonna open those handles, and here on the front it's got the little hook. We're gonna hook that over the side and squeeze the handles together, and it simply lifts the top off so it doesn't leave any sharp edges, metal shavings, or anything in your food, which is wonderful. And if you have little ones, they won't get cut on a sharp can lid if it's in their trash can or something like that. But super easy. And so I'm going to continue the recipe. I'm going to drain these real quick before I put that in. So we've got the 2 cans of the great northern beans. And then we've got cayenne pepper, garlic powder, ground oregano, and cumin, and then pepper. And I've just already measured out the ingredients, and I'm just going to add those and stir that in. And then the only ingredient we have left is the onion, and I want to show you our quick Power Chef chopper. On the bottom it has the silicone ring so it keeps it from gliding around on your countertops. But I just want to show you how fast and easy you can chop up an onion. No tears, no mess. 3 pulls, and that's what we have. And you can keep chopping as fine as you like. I'm going to chop it maybe a couple more times and just make it super fine. But if you like it chunkier, you can leave it that way. But this will chop any of your fruits, vegetables that you want to chop. One of my favorites. And the little blade comes out. We're going to add the onion. Stir it up. And then we do have heavy whipping cream that we're going to add after it's cooked. Add to that, just going to lock on the top. And it has these little arrows that you match up to the arrows here on the handles. Push that down, and then it twists on, so it's got the Loctite. Then we lock this handle here, and that's all you have to do to lock your pressure cooker. I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes, and then I'll be back and show you the results of that. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes, and I'm going to get the pressure cooker out of the microwave. Show you, it's got the little valve popped up and this here releasing the steam, and you don't want to open that until that steam and pressure has been released. So we'll let it set for about 10 minutes and then we will see the contents inside. Okay, I'm back. We waited 10 minutes, and as you can see here, the pressure has gone down, so we're safe to open it. And I'm going to unlock the little lever there and then rotate the handle and lift that off. Smells really good. Show you here. And then I'm just going to add a ½ cup of heavy whipping cream. You can also add sour cream or grated cheese, however you want to serve it. Just mix that in. And you're ready to serve. It's very easy, great for a work night. You can have it all in the microwave cooking while you sit down and relax and take it easy at the end of the day. And I just want to thank you again for watching. And if I can help with anything, please let me know. You can shop on my website for all the products that you've seen here, and it's storagesecrets.com. And have a wonderful day.